Hi friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can install and set up Judge Me Review app into your Shopify store so that you can collect and display your customer feedbacks beautifully and on your maybe a product page or the home page. So we will go through how you can install the application and then how can customize the review widget and make it match to your online or the Shopify store theme. So make sure that you have watched this video till the very end and also make sure that you are subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. So let's get started. First, you have to open the Shopify admin panel. And in the left hand side, you can see some sections over here. In that section, go to the apps and click on add. And then you can see discover more in Shopify App Store. So on clicking here, we will be leading to the Shopify App Store where we can find our Judge Me review app. We have to search particularly for that. So you can see the results from here. There is two apps from Judge Me. So go for the first option because the other one is the one app used to collect the reviews from the AliExpress. So let's not choose this. Click on install button. Before that, you can just go for seeing the app details. On clicking this, you can see the app details over here, the insights and the pricing details and some reviews from the merchants. All these are included in this page. So just go through this and find the details. So after that, you can just click to install to add the interface to the Shopify store. So we have done we have just added the interface like this. So in the app section, you can see the Judge Me reviews as the installed app. And first, we have to complete our onboarding task or steps. So for that, we have to set up our language. You can just choose any language from your own. I'm just choosing the English one. And widgets and email language also you can choose from here list. And yeah, I'm choosing my current theme as default. I would like to install and give your mail ID here and click on next. And yes, these are not mandatory ones. These steps you can either skip or you can just give any details of your business. And I'm randomly giving these details for now and I'm clicking next. You have to embed your the app. So why what happens is like you can just click on here, then it will open up the app section. So make sure that the app embed is enabled from that toggle. In my case, I have already installed. That's why it's showing the next or the next page like this. And for you to install this for the first time, make sure that this toggle button has enable and then go for saving it. And on clicking next, you can see a widget block has to be installed. So make sure that the widget block has installed like this and it shows in the left hand side the block has been added here, and then after adding this, click on save button. And next we have to add the install the star rating. I haven't installed the star rating yet, so let's do this. It may take some time sometimes, so don't be panic and be patient for this to be appear. Let's do one more time. Yeah, so this is the app section area, and the star rating has added here. And you can see the review widget also here. We can just drag this to the area below just the title, below the title of the product. So you can see the uh, star rating over here. And then the review widget review as shown here. Uh, you can just drag this to anywhere else so that this one will be available anywhere in the product page or the home page. I'm choosing the home page, that's why it's showing here. And let's go for saving it and go back to the tab. Now it shows the widget block has installed and click on next. and you can just choose a primary color of your star rating or your theme based on your theme. And I'm just go with some other color for now, which suits more for my online store. So I'm going with a dark green kind of a color, and I'm just adding it. So all done. Like that, we have done our onboarding part for now. So that's how you can just install the Judge Me Reviews app into your Shopify store. And then on clicking this, and after going in the review section, you can also customize the reviews widgets. Like there are some setup guide over here to have the widget settings to be customized. So you can just explore this to be customized the widget. So I have done with the in-store and is setting up the app into your Shopify store. So while you're waiting for, just try this out in your store too. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.